Hey everyone, Gabe Santellano, Realtor with the K Grant Group and my home group. We're at 449 East Harmony today. Beautiful home. The home was renovated about 3 years ago. So new bathrooms, new tile, the cabinets, countertops. It has a great big backyard and it's very close to the 60. So take a look around. Thank you. All right, let me know what you thought of the home. If you need anything at all, you have questions on this home, my number is 480-416-2636. And again, Gabe Santellano with the K Grant Group. Thank you.